Hello guys, it is R6 Monkey here. A wee change, as you'll notice, no bike. Here I am at Loch Earn, and the plan today is to go from here to there. If you can just spot a wee peak up there in the snow. So yes, today I'm going to attempt my first Munro, Ben Vorlich. So fingers crossed, I'll take you along the way. See yous.
In Edinburgh now. The one that's in Glasgow does all the second-hand gear. Oh, I've got extra water in my bag and that if anyone needs it. So. Sweet. Woo!
The sun's out.
Sun's out, sun's out. We're going to get in trouble for posting photos in the group.
Almost there guys. Almost there. Well, guys, it's been, how long has this took us so far? A couple of hours anyway. I think 2.5 hours so far, and we're just about approaching the summit. It's been a challenge. Legs are burning, but fucking views are fantastic. Well worth it. Very, very busy path today. It's actually surprised me the amount of folk I've seen heading up this way. But I'll see you at the top. Made the summit guys, took about 2.5 hours. And for a call it's about 935 metres, I'll tell you exactly. We were 984 metres, so 3,202 feet above sea level, and as you can see, the views are absolutely stunning. That over there is what I believe is Duchacroin. You can, on a good day, fit in 2 at one time, but as you can see it's a bit wild just now. It is a bit chilly up here, so we've had a snack and we're going to head back down. Take care guys, cheers.